Hello, Velvet.
Yes?
I need your help.
Welcome YouTube. This is the Velvetlox with another Cooking It Up. Today we're going to be making black bean burger. And in this ingredient you're going to need one small onion, and we're going to slice it and dice it, and then we're going to saute it. So right now my model is here dicing up the white onions. You can use any kind of onions you choose for this recipe. You're also going to need 1 to 2 cans of black beans, depending on how much you're making. And you're going to take the black beans, pour it in a bowl, and then we're going to mash it up as much as possible and make a little mush. Okay? So this is going to take a little work. You're going to mash up all of your black beans in your bowl, and then we're going to wait for the next step. In the meantime, we're going to get our skillet and put it on the stove to get it nice and warm. And we're going to be using our extra virgin olive oil in this ingredient, and we're going to be using 1 to 2 tablespoons of our oil in our skillet. But before that, we're going to start our ingredients and our mixture, and we're going to add all of these into our black beans bowl. Okay, so in this clip, you're going to be seeing me put all of the mixtures into the black beans. And in this one, she put a little bit more than a quarter, but it's to your desired taste. Okay, next is the garlic powder or onion powder. I'm going to put that in there too. Okay, here's the onion powder. And we're going to put a 1/4 teaspoon in there as well. Wonderful. Now for the black pepper, we're just going to put a pinch of black pepper, and as well we're going to put a pinch of our Himalayan salt. Okay, we're going to mix that up nice and well, get everything nicely mixed in. Okay, in the meantime, now we're going to pour our extra virgin olive oil into our pan and get it nice and warm for frying. In the meantime, we're going to add in our all-purpose flour, and we're going to add a little bit at a time into our mixture, just to make sure that we don't put too much or too little, but we're going to put a little at a time and mix it up and get the right consistency for molding. Okay? And in total, you should be putting between a 1/2 cup to maybe 1 full cup of flour. Now, the healthier the flour, the better. This is all white, all-purpose flour. And as you see that the flour is being added in, we're going to also mix it up together as well. In the meantime, now we're going to add in our onions to saute them, and we should probably do that within 1 to 2 minutes. Now we're going back to our flour, add in a little bit more, make that consistency a little bit more firmer. So that's what she's doing right now by putting more flour in. Now with the sliced whole wheat bread, we're going to just take a slice of it and we're going to crumple it up into our bowl just to give it some more added firmness and texture. As you can see, she's using the inner part of the bread and not the outer part skin, but for those of you who want to add that in there, you can do that as well. And now we're mixing up our batter and trying to get it to the right consistency. In the meantime, we're going to check on our onions, make sure that it's ready, and yes, it's ready. So we're going to also add our onion mixture into our batter. And we're going to mix that up real good. You can also add in some chopped diced bell peppers as well. Whatever other vegetable mixtures that you want to put into this, you can add it in as well. Now, we're just going to try to take some of it, our burgers, and make a nice little patty. So that's what she's doing now. She's molding our mixture into a patty. And this would be wonderful for those spaghetti and meatballs recipes as well, but instead of the meat, you're substituting it with the black bean burger. And you can fry this up in your skillet. Okay, so we're going to pop that in there, let that sizzle, and prepare our other burger the same way. Okay, we're going to pop that as well into our frying pan and let it fry. And once it's cooked on one side, then we're going to flip it over to the next and keep doing that until it's done. And there you have it, a wonderful black bean burger. And you can garnish it with your onions, with your bell peppers, whatever you choose, lettuce, tomatoes, and make it a really nice, wonderful, tasty burger. And of course, top it off with your ketchup. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for joining me on this recipe. Bon appetit and enjoy your black bean burger. Welcome, YouTube family. This is the Velvetlox introducing to you my new channel, and this channel is called Velvetlox. On this channel, you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs. Okay, so check it out. Go down below, click those links, and subscribe as well as turn on your notification bell. And I will see you there.